Welcome, here I've got ZTE Blade 10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's move to the left corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings, and here we have the gradient option, so this is our leveler at this camera app. By using this button we can turn it on and turn it off as we need. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it. As you can see, we have this line. This is useful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And this is how it works here. And of course, when we don't need it, we can go back to the left corner, tap on this button, and for now the leveler has gone. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.